What's up, everybody? We are gonna get this started real quick. So if we do ZType HTML, get some HTML tags, because I don't know, I never use HTML tags, but I'm pretty sure I said this last time, but I'm going to. So type equals text JavaScript. src equals, what is the source? ZType.js. We are creating ZType script there. Today is 13. No, today is over 13, right? I'm pretty sure we're over 13. Anyway, while that loads, I'm going to create, yes, we are over 13. What is its name? We need to reference p5 min.js. I need to change this to 14 because it is the 14th installment. Okay, so ZType is just a typing game. It's pretty neat. I enjoy it. You're a rocket and you try and kill all the asteroids coming down at you by typing. So if we do function create canvas, function, oh, what am I saying? Setup, create canvas, 500, function, draw, okay, let's say background 51, that should be cool. So yes, this is a typing game. First thing we're going to want to do is create a variable, keys as an array. Let me get a sip of water. Let's first create an asteroid, actually. Function asteroid. Asteroid.js. Let's move it into, where is it? ZType. There we go. We will say asteroid.prototype.draw. We also say, oh my bad, a equals function, dot update equals function. There, need the semicolons. An asteroid is gonna have a this.x, or we'll just have a this.pause equals create vector xy. So we have an xy, and then word or text. This.text equals text. This.completed text equals nothing so far. Actually, we were going to put in quotes. So, that's cool. We have an update. Within update, we are going to say this dot position dot y plus plus, which is just going to move it downward. We are going to say fill this dot c, aka this dot color. So let's have this dot c equals c color. Text color fill, no stroke. Actually, yes, you're gonna have a stroke of 255. No, we'll have a stroke of 0 actually. Stroke weight is going to be something like 3. We're going to have then ellipse based upon the text.length. So ellipse at this.pause.x, this.pause.y, this.text.length times 10 or something. So if it's 10 characters long, it'll be 10 characters in diameter. Or yes, diameter, radius, I'm not exactly sure. We will actually say this.size equals this, or text.length times 10. That's what we're gonna do. This dot size. This dot s. Just make it a little bit easier on us. Size, color, we're good. So once that happens, we need to say no stroke. We need to say text at this dot pause dot x, this dot pause dot y. My bad. I need to put it this dot text there. Okay. And I'd like to have, what should it be? Oh, you know what? It needs to draw the text that you've inputted already. Or input already. Text size is going to be, we'll make it 50, or like 20 for now. I'm not exactly sure. So we have this dot text. Let's do, snap, this is gonna be difficult, isn't it? Okay. Fill, this one's going to be 255. We'll just write the text like this. Now when you see, okay, I think what it should do, instead of having the text change on the asteroid, because I think that would be a bit too difficult for me right now. I don't want to get in too much into it. Let's do asteroids, or field. There we go, equals an array. We don't have to do much in setup. Let's make a rocket. Let's make a rocket. Var rocket. Rocket really doesn't need anything. Focused. Focus. We'll make a focus variable. So we need a function on key press, or key pressed. Okay, so once this happens, we need to get the character that they pressed, console.log key code. I'm real quickly going to reference asteroid.js. Now, cool. If we can easily convert key code to char JS. If there's an easy way to cast something, yep, 65 string.from character code. String.from code. My bad, accidentally deleted K. So you can tell I'm rushing. A, B, D, 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 do, do, cool. I accidentally hit control, save. That's funny, I hit control and it pops up like that. Anyways, we need to see, if focused, yes, okay, if we are focused, then we need to asteroid dot, I really need a rocket dot shoot asteroid. Asteroid dot prototype. What is a good semantic for this? Asteroid dot degrade. There we go. Or erode. Erode equals function. So function, this is the character you put. We will say if how should we do this? var l equals this dot completed text dot length, and it really needs to be wrapped in those. If it's completed, then we need to say if this dot text dot substring 0, L dot equals this dot completed text concatenated with a new character, then we will concatenate this dot completed text with character. So that's that. That was pretty simple, actually. We also need to say if this dot completed text dot equals this dot text this dot not intact, we'll go for intact equals true. So this dot intact equals this dot completed text equals text. So if it doesn't, intact equals true. If it does, then intact equals false. So on draw, oh, didn't even do that. Oh, what? There, okay. For var I equals 0, I is less than field dot length I plus plus, what we will do is we will say if field of I dot intact, then we do field dot draw, else field dot, or we actually need to loop through this backwards. There, it's got to be greater than or equal to that, and we've got to subtract from it. There, -1, cool. Else we do field dot splice I1. So what we are doing there is we are delete from array. We are deleting from the array, or we draw it. Really, we don't need these brackets, so I'm going to delete them because I don't like unnecessary code for some reason. If it's intact, then we draw it. If not, then we splice it. Also, we're going to have to do field.update. Oh wait, let's do that afterward. Field.update, because if we splice it and then we try and update it, then we are going to have problems. Within update, we need to check if this.pause.y++, we can actually just, get, okay. If this.pause.y++ is greater than height, then end game. Don't need a true or false. Function end game, we will do is we will say no loop, and we will say console.log game over. There we go. We will try that now. If it's focused, then we are going to say focus dot how should we say this? Yes, erode. With their character key code, when in reality it needs to be. Actually, let's do this here. Character. We receive the character. We're going to say, say code. We're going to say var character equals string dot, what was it again? From character code. code. And so that should be that. If focus.erode. If it's not focused, then we need to find the focus. Then we need to loop through. I guess we could say focus equals find. Yeah, find. And we'll pass in the key code, and we will pass in our field. And what we will do is we will come over here and we'll create a function, find, we'll just say find asteroid. That will be the new name. Find asteroid. We get code and field. Actually, I want to name this R because I don't like using the same exact variable names. So, what we will say is we will say, first of all, return null. That's completely fine. It doesn't sound like it's fine, but it is fine. Var I equals 0, I is less than r dot length I plus plus. What we will do is we will say if, and I forgot, they're gonna need that, there, cool. If, can I get a JavaScript string starts with? Well, really, I could just get the first one. Starts with hello. Yeah, I'm just gonna use starts with. That seems simple. If r of I dot text starts with character, then return r of I. Else return null. We are good. I'll keep those braces there because there's no point in me trying to delete them. So within this, I think we're good. Key pressed. We draw them. We hopefully do everything correctly. One thing I forgot is to say text size, text align, center. There. Okay, asteroid is not defined. Obviously. No, it is. Asteroid is defined. Asteroid.js22. Oh, asteroid. 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 Yes, there's an E in there. Okay. Cool. We don't currently do anything, but what we will do is we will say if random, and I want them in pairs, so I want it to be overwhelming. Noise of, okay, we need a difficulty, or score. We have to have a score equals 0. Erode. What we will have is we will have the erode function. We will have the erode function. Actually, no. When it erodes, we need to say. Okay, when we delete it from the array. When we delete it, before we delete it, we're going to say field or score plus equals field dot text dot length. We're going to add the length to the score. We need to draw the score. So text size is going to be 30. Fill 255. Text score like 50 height over 2. There we go. That will be that. If noise of frame count times if noise of frame count is greater than 0.5, then we will push a new asteroid. And what I want to do is have variable text in there. We'll say field dot push. We will put the x and y. So the x is going to be a random x coordinate, random times actually just random width. The y will be 0. Text will be a for now. We're just doing a random one, or not a random one. Color, I'd like a random color, but we'll just make them all purple. Field.update is not a function. Field, it isn't. You're right. Field.splice, field of I dot update. Field of I dot draw. Can't believe I made that mistake. It's not a function. Field of I, it's not a function. Update should be a function. Okay, so we have field of I dot update is not a function for whatever reason. FIELD dot update. It should be filled with oh, that's why. Wow, that was asteroid. Need to give it an asteroid. Okay, text.length is not a function. Where is that? Asteroid number 8. Then what is it? String length JavaScript. Here we go. String length property. Oh, you don't need the... That's so weird. Because in Java, you do need it. Array.length. I think that's good. Except, I do need to delete it there. Let's try it now. Whoa! Erode is not a function. Focus.erode is not a function. Focus should be a... Yep, and we lost. So that was because... Okay. There are way too many. What we'll do real quick is... if... I'm actually gonna put those back. If, frame count mod 5 equals 0... Actually 10. I want 10. I don't want that many. Erode is not a function. 41. Focus should be, if focus should be null. Focus equals null. Oh yes, I forgot. Within here, no, within here, we need to say focus equals null. Okay. The thing is, we are doing, we are doing, oh wait, can I do, okay, I can't do a, yeah, let's simply do two lowercase, two lowercase, there you go. Okay, text.substring equals is not a function. Why is it not a function? Text.substring Where is it again? Asteroid .erode. Here. Substring JavaScript. You could do this in Java, I know that. You don't know JS. Let's see, is there a correct way to check until you fully understand the differences? Are you serious? There's not a dot equals? Okay. Text. This dot text. I'm gonna wrap these in parentheses. So if that equals that, we're good. Because I know the implications of them, so I think we're good on that. Erode should be good for now. Let's test it. Dot equals. I thought I just fixed this, unless I didn't save it. Okay, it's not deleting them, however. Console.log. This part of it, it's intact. We're always saying it's intact. Oh. So if it's intact equals true. Oh, that's because, okay. This dot completed text. This dot text. Okay, it's never concatenating. Oh, that's why. Oh wait, no, that isn't why. Because we say that text.substring 0 to the L. Let's log all of this, really. There, actually. So, this and this, these two are not wanting to get this. JavaScript, I need to get the substring. Substring, I know how to do this, yes, 4, 7. 7, 4? Really? That displays LLA? 0, I want from 0 to the length of the string. 0 to 1. Starting at 0, this dot text dot substring. Let's do this dot text there. Let's maybe make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so why is that happening like that? Why are we not getting the length? Console.log any string. We just log the string. Substring 0 to L. Oh, right, because the length of completed text is never added to. I guess then in that case we add one. Okay, we deleted it. Length, property of undefined, ZType 24. Okay. Length, field.text, dot length. Field of I dot text dot length. That was my bad. Okay. It's working! I'm liking it. Now what I would like to do is have actual words for these in colors. Holy heck. I died. Hang on. Okay, so it takes an extra key. So we say focus.find asteroid. Now we say if focus. If focus, then we need to say focus.erode. Erode with their character. Key code. There we go. No, we have focus J. I accidentally messed it up. A. There we go. Now it's only taking... Okay, you know what I would like to do now is to draw in let's see. Okay, if this mod 20 equals 0, we will add here. Mod score, or like math.abs 100, or yeah, 100 minus score. Now what we will do is say, oh, we have to triple that. I don't know why it wasn't forcing us to triple that. We will say, I'm gonna say draw score. What I need to do is draw the rocket now. So now what needs to happen is say I'd like to draw like a planet. But you know what, draw planet. It could be any planet you like. And we'll say fill. It's a nice color. Fill. We'll do green. 0 or like 77FF77 should be fine. Rect. This will be the lower half of the screen. And we will say rectangle at 0, comma, the y will be height minus 10 to width, comma, height. There we go. Now we are drawing the... So that's very odd how it doesn't allow you. With +1. Here, let's do 0. With +1. No, okay, it has to be -1. I don't know why that's like that, but I guess we'll just have to deal with it. Oh, it's because the stroke. Stroke will be... stroke will be... I want a nice... You know what? We'll make this, that one, and we need a brown. Brown, or, let's do RGB. Color picker. I want a color picker. I want to make a brown one. Actually, you know what? We'll make a red. Just go with the... I don't know. An orange earth. That's good enough. Brown. 603 a something. And what we'll do is we will go back here. Let me see. Stroke weight will be 5. That'll be good. We'll make this minus 10 still. 0, -0. That should be fine. Cool. Now it looks a little bit more like the Earth. It's minus 15. Oh goodness, I don't want a stroke actually. No stroke here. there. Cool. I think that's a decent place for it. Text align right. Okay, game over. Why was that? Why did we get a game over that quick? Oh, I guess one came down that I did not see. I want to draw the planet before I draw... Oh, whoopsie daisies. It is a fun game. ZType is a really fun game. They do. They do have cool music, and I'm jealous of it. So that's cool. Draw planet. Draw, you know what, we're just gonna create functions for these. Draw, Earth, draw planet. We'll just make these random colors. Let's see. X function draw planet. At this point, the game is pretty much done. We're just adding cool things. You draw a planet. Var p planet what is it? Crust equals color. Just make it a random color. I need a random color function. Random color. My bad. Now what we're gonna do is say return color random 255 random 255 random 255. You're having in-browser issue, no joke. I might be able to help you in a little bit. Random color. Actually, let me just do planet crust. Oh. Planet crust equals random color. And we will say, planet mantle. There we go. Now within here, when we draw a planet, we need to say planet mantle, planet crust, and that's good. So now it's a random color, and I'm enjoying it. We'll do a random color in for these. There we go. Oh. What? D, what is happening? Oh, I didn't even notice that I forgot to put the parentheses around it. My bad. Okay, so we draw that. And what I want to do is, okay, so you see how it's just kind of waiting. Hang on. Come on. So we have the asteroid. And what is log of 0? Can log of 1 equals 0? A. All of these are A. So obviously you could create an array where you could get it from a database, because right now they're just A's. Actually, I'm gonna do an array in a little bit. I've got random color. That's cool. What I want to do now is draw planet. And what I'd like to do is also draw planet. Let's say draw ground. Draw base. Ship. Or AA. Or launcher. Ground control. So you are ground control, and you are a triangle, I guess. Could I get a begin shape? Begin shape. End shape. Vertex. We're gonna need 3 vertices. And what we will do is say, at height, or width over 2 minus 20, and then width over 2 minus 20, or this time plus 20, and then width over 2. This is all going to be, or this one's going to be height minus 50. Height. I'm just trying to get a triangle. There we go. Draw planet is not defined. Right. Draw base. Draw base. Okay. In shape, close. There we go. Nope, close is not a function. How do we... Okay, let me go to P5 again. Begin, shape, in shape. Oh, not what I meant. In shape. In shape, close. Close. Cool. Let's try it. Now we have our ship. I'd like random colors again. Var we'll just make this stroke ship. Ship equals random color. There we go. It'll make the stroke 255. I think it should be 255. Fill, what is it? Ship. Nice. So when this happens, we want to draw a line between focus. So we draw the base. I want to, after we draw a base, we're gonna say draw laser. So laser is just going to be, we're gonna pass in, we don't even need to pass in anything really. Function draw laser. What we'll do is we will say fill random color. There, lots of randomness. And what we will do is we will say stroke. Actually, the stroke should be random color. Don't even need fill. Stroke weight 5, something ridiculous like that. And we will say line between this point and focus dot x, or position dot x, focus dot position dot y. If we just say if you're not focused, return. Let's try it. Huh. Yes, that's awesome. Hey. Dude, this is awesome. Oh, I'm loving this. I love this. I don't know why I love this so much. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, what I want to do now is say focus. Stroke weight needs to be focus dot completed text, is it? I'm spending way too much time on this, but it's because I'm having fun with it. Dot length. There we go. Let's try this. Is it? There we go. Okay, so it gradually gets bigger. Oh, that's awesome. I love this. Okay, cool. We will have a variable words equals. Now this could be queried from anywhere. You could get this from anywhere, really. Just import some sort of text or anything. I could even go hook this up to Google Docs, and whatever I put in my Google Doc, it would show up in your words. But we will do game, day, Java, script, we will say kale. No, we won't say kale. Rainbow. Just for the giggles, with Daniel Schiffman. So we have programming, program P5, what else? Let's do, rabbit, bunny, what else? What is another one? What could I like add in as a funny Easter egg? P5, I guess reference. Do YouTube. And we will also say GitHub, because why not? GitHub. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Make it say gay, okay. Gay. In that case, we'll also do straight. Because why not? And now, this needs to do is say random words, right? Words. I'm pretty sure that should do it. Script. Cool. Oh gosh. So they're pretty slow, but I think that's fine. Why are we getting gay so many times? Twice now. GitHub. Game. Straight. Oh, snap. Okay, they can't be random width. They need to be random minus 50 plus 50. So that's that. Let me delete the console.log. Goodness, okay. I actually want a text thing here. draw laser. I'll just do it within draw laser. If focus return, then we'll say text fill 255 text align right text size 30 text, no, I don't want text, no stroke. Hana thinks it's funny to joke about sexuality. Which I agree with. People take it too seriously. So we will do focus.completed text. And we will do width, no, not width, or like 10, height minus 40. Here we go. So now, once, oh, get hub, okay, I messed that up. Left align, maybe? There we go. That's good. Hub, I always misspell that one. So yeah. Rainbow. Bunny. Bunny again. Let's stop logging. Script YouTube straight YouTube program rainbow Java rainbow. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh gosh. Just look at that. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Oh gosh. Why am I laughing so hard? Where is the console.log? They just all, you see, that's because that's due to the Perlin noise. What needs to happen is it needs to be even less on this. We'll make it like, just make it like 100. There we go. Actually, minus 200 because of that. Okay. Let's just make it minus 150 and we'll subtract 75 from it. This is making sure that they don't go off the screen. I don't know. I could do that. I'll let you do that, Hana. I'll let you do that. That's a good idea. That should be a challenge for the viewers. So that if it's a big one, if it's greater than whatever size, you could just be like, wherever we check if it's intact, you could say, if the size is greater than such and such, then push some new asteroids with smaller lengths, but same x values. Or not same x values. Same y values, but different x values. You did it. Good job. That was fast. Okay, so what did I forget to do? Frame count. I don't want a noise function. Let's just do random greater than 0. 0. I think it should be more like 0.9. I think that's what it should be. We'll just subtract this from 60, and we will say, because then we're gonna get, how could we do the score differently? We'll just do mod 120 if it's greater than 0.9. Yeah, and then what we'll do is we'll map a score between 0 and 100, 100 being the highest score, from 0.99 to 0.01. Actually, 100, we'll make it 1000. There we go. That will be the map. I've forgotten to do something, I think. Oh yes, I've forgotten to push, I want to push a few asteroids. So I'd like to push, no, scroll me over. Get me over here. Why is it doing this? No. Why was it doing that? Okay. That's that. Okay, so now it's 0.8. What I'd like to do actually is just have this 0.9 script, and now it should, now we should do it more like 60, I think. Rainbow, bunny. What's the next one? See, it doesn't get harder. Rainbow, game, day, rainbow. And then we get a pause. Yeah, I think I want to do noise. I like noise wherever I can use it. P5. Noise of frame count day. Oh, got it. Okay, GitHub. There we go. So that's cool. We have a nice game going here. GitHub. There. YouTube. Console.log. I don't want that. Rainbow. Neat. This is going to be the thumbnail, by the way. So yeah, we are done. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go until I lose program. As always, the source code is available on my GitHub, linked in the description. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace, peace.